June 2024 highlights. Inaugural cohort of Medical Enrichment Program celebrated. Hepatobiliary surgery and interventional radiology services launched at Shalamar Hospital. First professional BSc nursing students achieved 100% success rate in the University of Health Sciences Annual Examination 2023. Shalamar Hospital secured 95% score in the sustainability audit conducted by the Punjab Healthcare Commission. New edition of Journal of Shalamar Medical and Dental College published. Speakers Series session with Dr. Zafar Iqbal Qureshi on Thrive and Grow, the Leadership Mindset. Department of Medicine and Allied in collaboration with Department of Mother and Child Health arranged a session on epilepsy in pregnancy at Shalamar Hospital. Department of Cardiology at Shalamar Institute of Health Sciences hosted the quarterly meeting of the Pakistan Society of Interventional Cardiology. Workshop on Communicating with Impact at Shalamar Medical and Dental College. Training session on Healthcare Risk Management at Shalamar Hospital. Department of Research and Innovation conducted a 3-day workshop on Crafting a Compelling Research Proposal, Your Roadmap to Academic Success. The Hypertension Clinic team, led by Dr. Azra Mahmood, organized Hypertension Camp at Shalamar Hospital and Shalamar Medical and Dental College. Shalamar Hospital partnered with Service Sales Corporation to deliver an awareness session on heat stroke prevention. Hepatobiliary and vascular surgery teams showcased their exceptional work at the Society of Surgeons monthly meetup. Shalamar Hospital inducted new batch of house officers. Workshop on Clinical Research, What's Ethics Gotta Do with It? At Shalamar Medical and Dental College. Department of Medical Education, in collaboration with the Department of Bioethics, hosted a workshop on decision-making in clinical practice. Shalamar Hospital hosted a training workshop on pest management. Shalamar School of Allied Health Sciences hosted a workshop on Mastering the Art of Suturing, Exploring Diverse Techniques for Surgical Excellence. Shalamar School of Allied Health Sciences hosted an insightful workshop on low vision. Shalamar School of Allied Health Sciences hosted an enriching and insightful workshop on airway clearance therapy, guidelines and limitation. Department of Medical Education hosted a workshop on Designing a Research Question for Qualitative Research. Expo of Compassion, a fundraising event for Gaza at Shalamar Medical and Dental College.